How to grow grass in clay soil. Growing grass in clay soil can be tricky, but it is not impossible. It will take more preparation, care and maintenance than typical lawns, but this article will provide some advice on how to grow a grass lawn in a clay soil medium. Things you will need. Lawn. Seed/sod. The first thing you will want to do is test the pH of your clay soil. This is important because clay soil can have improper pH levels and you will need to balance it before growing a lawn as possible. Most commonly, clay soil needs lime to balance the pH. After you test the pH, consult with an expert at a nursery or home improvement store for help on properly balancing the pH, getting the right type of grass and creating a lawn care schedule. Next, before you start a lawn, you will want to make sure the soil is well tilled. Clay soil can become too compact and hard, so you will need to make sure the soil is tilled, and then you will probably want to aerate once a year to ensure the soil does not become too hard. Now, you will want to fertilize and add nutrients to the soil if necessary. So, the pH is balanced, the soil is aerated and fertilized. Now you will want to lay down your seeds or sod and let the grass begin to grow. Keep a close eye on your lawn for the first couple of months to ensure balanced growing. Tips. Warnings. Balance the pH. Aerate. Fertilize.